Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Embezzlement Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with the embezzlement in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your embezzlement charge. Contact one of our Missouri Embezzlement Defense Lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all embezzlement defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our embezzlement defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Embezzlement Defense Lawyer in Missouri. Being convicted of state or federal embezzlement is a serious crime. It's our job at Combs Waterkotte to ensure your rights, help convicted clients through the legal process, and support your case. Contact us now or call our firm at 314-900-HELP if you need an embezzlement lawyer in Missouri. What is embezzlement? Embezzlement is a type of financial fraud that involves the misappropriation or theft of funds or assets entrusted to someone for management or safekeeping. Reach out to one of Combs Waterkotte's criminal defense lawyer in Missouri now at 314-900-HELP. Unlike theft, where the perpetrator unlawfully takes possession of someone else's property, embezzlement occurs when the perpetrator already has lawful access to the funds or assets, but misuses or misappropriates them for personal gain. At Combs Waterkotte, we're prepared to defend these cases and ensure our clients' legal rights. Embezzlement. Embezzlement can occur in various settings, including businesses, nonprofits, government agencies, and financial institutions. Common examples of embezzlement include corporate fraud, employee theft, and financial advisor misconduct. Embezzlement can be tried under both state and criminal law. The severity of the penalties depends on factors such as the amount of money or the value of the assets embezzled, the perpetrator's criminal history, and the jurisdiction's laws. Penalties for embezzlement may include fines, restitution to the victim, probation, and imprisonment. In addition to criminal charges, individuals convicted of embezzlement may also face civil lawsuits seeking damages for the losses incurred. Embezzling government property. Schools, government agencies, and other organizations face embezzlement in various ways. If you have been alleged, charged, or convicted on embezzlement, it's important to know your rights and to take action immediately. Regarding government allegations, the following legal elements are required to prove this type of embezzlement. There is a trust or fiduciary relationship between you and the rightful property owner. The U.S. government owns the property or has an interest in the property. You took possession of the property in the course of your employment. You fraudulently converted or appropriated the property for your own use. You intended to deprive the rightful owner of use of the property. If you're charged of embezzlement, it's crucial to contact a reputable criminal defense attorney as soon as possible. Call us at 314-900-HELP or reach out online. Types of embezzlement in Missouri. Embezzlement can take various forms depending on the nature of the organization or entity involved and the methods used by the perpetrator. Most types of embezzlement fall into the following categories. Common scenarios for embezzlement. Corporate embezzlement at the executive level. Theft by an employee, cash, inventory, etc. Misappropriating funds in government, nonprofit, and other originations. Investment and insurance fraud. How does federal law address embezzlement of government property? Embezzlement can also take place at all levels of government, from local school boards to massive government agencies. The rollout of COVID-19 relief funds in 2020 provided many opportunities for embezzlement. Because they are federally regulated, banks and financial institutions fall under federal embezzlement laws. Whether you are a government employee charged with embezzlement, or if you got caught up in a bad scenario with a bank or other federally funded entity, you would be wise to reach out to a saint. Lewis Embezzlement Attorney as soon as possible. Reach out to Combs Waterkotte now and give us a call at 314-900-HELP for legal assistance. How is embezzlement proven in court? The elements needed to prove the crime of embezzlement at the state level generally need these four factors. There must be a fiduciary relationship between you and the other party. That is, there must be a reliance by one party on the other. You must have acquired the property through that relationship, rather than in some other manner. As an example, if you're an investment broker and you steal a client's bicycle, that's not embezzlement. Your actions must have been intentional and not the result of an error in accounting. You must have taken ownership of the property, at least temporarily, transferred the property to someone else, or destroyed or hidden the property. Contact our saint, Lewis-based embezzlement lawyers, now if you've been charged or convicted. Embezzlement Defense Attorneys in Missouri. Both state and federal agencies and prosecutors take significant measures to investigate and prosecute embezzlement. If you believe that you are under investigation but have not yet been arrested or formally charged, don't hesitate to reach out to a skilled and knowledgeable Missouri embezzlement lawyer at Combs Waterkotte today. The earlier your criminal defense attorney can begin their own investigation and strategy, the better your chances of possibly avoiding charges altogether. Contact us online or call 314-900-HELP.